And obviously, we know the other end of that as well. When they cry or whine, they need something, and they usually come up and tell you that. Here's what's going on. As far as the Lakewood Ranch webcam goes, it's been a little sunnier day than anticipated. Not much rainfall around today. A little drier air has slipped in, and the models didn't catch that. And Lakewood Ranch webcam showing just a pretty nice day, albeit on the warm side. Temperatures topping out today near 90, but the heat index is what's been so high because of that southwest to west wind. Each and every day it brings that low-level moisture right on into west central Florida, and that keeps the dew point temperature up, which makes the heat index way up there as well. You can see the winds basically out of the southwest pushing these storms to the east, mainly inland storms this afternoon, although there are a few popping up in the Gulf of Mexico, not many at all. There's that dry air around, so I would not anticipate anything too significant to move on shore throughout the next several hours. Things are fairly quiet. We did have some showers offshore. There's one little cell right there that's moving into the south end of Longboat Key and a couple developing just southwest of Turtle Beach. You can see from the radar picture, though, pretty active near Orlando. Also, this cell was severe at one point, and some big storms in Miami. With this kind of pattern, the East Coast gets hit the hardest in the afternoon and evening. And we're going to see this westerly wind continuing. As I mentioned, not much rain at all today. These numbers from yesterday, but we do have flood warnings still in effect for the Manatee River at the Myakka Head. There's still some flooding going on there, but not a big concern. As far as the futurecast goes, you can see the bigger storms tonight expected to be inland, pushing off toward the East Coast. Not much for us through this evening, so if you have an evening plan outdoors, should not be a problem. But look at this, again, after midnight, a few showers. There'll be scattered, isolated cells possible. Now, last night, this model was depicting the same thing, and really nothing ever happened. There were some showers approaching around midnight, and those fell apart. But I would still suspect to see a little bit better chance tonight. The atmosphere is a little more moist tonight, I think, as far as the surface goes, and there's more energy in the atmosphere as opposed to yesterday. So we'll see the potential for some overnight and early morning showers pushing on toward the coast. Well, the water vapor imagery tells the story. You can see this upper level low spinning right here. That is driving that drier air in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that's entraining into the west central coast of Florida. So that's limiting our showers and thunderstorms this afternoon here. As far as temperatures go right now, it's 88 in Sarasota, 87 now in Orlando. A bit cooler where it's raining. This is the opposite. We normally get cooled in the afternoon and evening, but Miami's seeing it now, 76 degrees. Key West at 90. Temperatures around town, 90 in Myakka City, 90 in Arcadia. They have had some rain into Highlands County, obviously, 79. And Avon Park, the Gulf water temperature at 88 degrees, and Sarasota now at 89. Currently, we have 88 with that heat index up there, near 100. The pressure is exactly at the standard pressure. It's called 29.92 inches. Winds out of the west-southwest. Well, it's kind of interesting to note we have a ridge of high pressure out west, and to the east we have this trough of low pressure that digs all the way down into Florida. Now, that's a typical winter or fall situation, not a summer situation where typically the jet stream flows from west to east across the area. That's the reason why it's a little cooler in places like Washington, Cleveland, Chicago, as well as even into Atlanta. It's 84 degrees there, 111 in Phoenix, 96 in Dallas. For boaters tomorrow, look for a few morning showers. You'll have to dodge a few of those storms that'll be around. Seas will be 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop. Now, the extended forecast, we are going to go through a day of transition on Friday where we will see showers and storms breaking out any time. The rain chance at 40%. Until then, morning showers, overnight showers are possible Wednesday and Thursday. By the weekend, they'll start to come back toward the coast, and so those will be in the afternoon and evening as those winds shift. Now, you want to